Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up UX for file upload forms using Dropbox step by step clearly. Begin by determining the purpose of your file upload form. Identify the types of files users will need to upload. Select a web platform or tool where you will implement your form. Create a Dropbox account if you do not already have one. Navigate to the Dropbox website and sign in. Access the Dropbox API and generate an API key for your application. Create a new project in your web development environment. Design the user interface for the file upload form. Ensure the design is intuitive and user-friendly. Include clear instructions for users on file formats and size limits. Incorporate a drag-and-drop area for ease of use. Add a traditional file selection button as an alternative. Implement error messages that inform users of any issues. Use visual feedback to indicate when files are successfully uploaded. Connect your file upload form to Dropbox API using your API key. Write the backend code to handle file uploads securely. Ensure that uploaded files are stored in a designated folder in your Dropbox account. Test the form thoroughly to confirm all functionalities are working. Consider adding features like upload progress indicators. Optimize the form for mobile users to ensure accessibility. Review the overall user experience and make necessary adjustments. Launch your file upload form when you are satisfied with its performance. Monitor user feedback to continuously improve the experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.